Jimmy is in North Carolina. Hi, Jimmy. Welcome to the Dave Ramsey Show.
Thanks for taking my call, Dave.
Sure.
Got a question regarding our mortgage. Right now we're on a 30-year fixed. Our payment's about $1,100 a month with a 4.5% interest fee, and we're on the PMI right now. So we want to get it refinanced. I'm looking at either a 15-year at 3.125% or a 10-year at 2.99%. The 10-year payment's $1,800, and the 15 is $1,350.
Mm-hmm.
I know that there's some kind of formula that I'm missing on how quick the closing costs and prepaids would.
Have you gotten a quote on the closing costs? Not the prepaids,
yeah,
but
I'm
the
at
closing
about
costs.
$4,000. Oh, for the closing costs is about $2,900.
Okay, and what's your loan balance?
167 right now.
Okay, so every 1% that you save is $1,670 a year, and you're saving about 1.5%, and so that's going to put you at about $2,500 a year, $2,400 a year, somewhere in there. Okay, in interest savings, regardless of what your payment is. Okay, so if you got a 3% loan, 2.99, and you got a 4.5, that's a 1.5 spread times your loan amount is going to put you at about $2,400, $2,500. If your closing cost is $4,000, it takes you less than 2 years to break even, and everything after that's gravy on the biscuit in savings. You understand?
Sure. Okay.
And you'll have a higher payment at a 10-year than you will a 15. But if the interest rate is the same, the savings is exactly the same regardless of the payment. Now, it doesn't save you in cash flow, but it's what's your real savings. It's not the principal reduction. Your real savings is the interest rate savings. Now, the other savings on top of that is the PMI. What are you paying in PMI?
Yeah, it's only $72 a month, which it ain't nothing, but it's not as high as it could be.
Okay. All right, but that's another $1,200 or another $1,000 a year off roughly. Right?
Yes, sir.
$950 a year. Okay, so that
Correct.
puts us at $2,400 or $2,500 plus $900, and so we're at $3,400, and your closing costs. So you're going to break even in slightly over a year by being rid of the PMI and by being rid of this. So I love the 10-year plan.
So that makes sense.
Yes, makes a ton of sense.
Hey, I just want to thank you. Over the last year, we've really dialed in and been listening to you, and we've been able to pay off all our debt, get our 6-month emergency fund, have another beautiful baby, and be sitting pretty with our house. So your podcast has gone a long way in our lives.
Well, thank you, man. I'm proud of you. Very well done. Very well done. Sounds like you got your act together. Things are happening in the right direction. Very, very cool.